So these questions, there's two in your revision sheet, and it's the circle theorems, but it's all to do with Pythagoras. So what we've got is Pythagoras is all about right angled triangles. So we're looking for a right angled triangle, and the right angled triangle there is in there. Okay, that's your right angled triangle. So in this diagram, we can see that we've got a right angled triangle here. That's the radius, OP is the radius. Now, O to the outside there, that means that that's also a radius, so that means that bit is 7. So if we take that 7 away from that 12, that leaves that side of the triangle as 5 centimetres. Now we want to work out x, but what we can do is we can work out that half of it. We'll call it y. So with Pythagoras, y squared is a shorter side. So we are going to start off with 7 squared, take away 5 squared. 7 sevens 49. 5 fives 25. Take them away, leaves you with 24. Now we don't want y squared, so we take the square root. So y is the square root of 24, and you can fill that out in your calculator and put your units in, which are centimetres. This one's exactly the same. The radius is 35, so there's a radius as well. So that's also 35. So from there right the way down to the bottom, 60. So that means that that bit there is 25 centimetres. There's my right angle triangle. I'm going to work out that distance across there, which is y. So y squared is equal to 35 squared minus 25 squared. 35 squared is 1225. 25 squared is 625. When I take them away from one another, I get 600. So y is equal to square root of 600, whatever that turns out to be. I'll just do this one because I didn't finish the last one. So square root of 600 turns out to be 24.5 centimetres. But remember, we want x, not just y. So x is the distance right across there. So x is 2 lots of that. So it's 2 times 24.5, which is 49 centimetres. I didn't finish that one. X from right across there is 2 lots of whatever the answer to that is. So I'll finish that one. So square root of 24 turns out to be 4.898. So we'll say 5.0 from 1 decimal place. So therefore x is 2 lots of that, which is 10.0 centimetres. I've made up another couple of wee questions along with those 2 revision questions. So the full height of that part there, right the way down to there, is given, and it's 15 centimetres. So there's the radius, it's 10, so that means that bit there is also 10. So take 10 away from the 15, leaves that bit 5. We'll call that y. So Pythagoras, because it's a shorter side, it's not the hypotenuse, y squared is equal to 10 squared minus 5 squared. 10 squared is 100. 5 squared is 25. Subtract the 2 of them, we get 75. So y is equal to the square root of 75. And square root of 75, square root 75 is equal to 8.66. And it's centimetres, don't forget your units. So x, the distance across, is equal to 2 times 8.66. And that gives us a value of 17.32. And it's in centimetres.